What's up guys, Only RC here, and I just got a few new parts for my Electrics RC stadium truck. As you can tell, I got a new cover. It looks way nicer than the old red one. I like this one a lot better. Take that. Oh, I got a new speed control. The same company, but it's a Taser 15 tooth T, whatever it is. I don't know, haven't tested it out. I stripped something back here, a little gear or something, so playing with it too much on the sand. Yeah, that's basically the newest thing that I got. But I got a backup for my rear suspension. Got suspension arms for the back ones. Yeah, these ones are still in good shape. The front ones aren't though. They're torn up. Got a new bumper. So listen to this. Terrible, terrible. Here's the old speed control. The piece of crap, as I like to call it. Charging my battery right now. But yeah, thanks for watching. Only RC out.